Here's a pair of the JBL Tune Flex 2 buds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows computer, PC, or laptop via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put these in a pairing mode. Okay, let me open these up. You'll know that in pairing mode if both of these are blinking blue, 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 or if you put it in the ear, your ear, even one of them, it'll say pairing. But I get two solid blue lights here and then it turns off. If I had it in my ear, it would have said connected. So I'm actually connected to one of my other devices. So for me, let me manually put this in a pairing mode. In order for me to do that, I'm going to take out both buds and I'm just going to use one of them, the left or right. And what I'm going to do is on the touch sensor, I'm going to go tap and hold on just one of the buds until both of them start blinking blue. So we'll do it together. Ready? So we'll go ahead and take them both out. Boom, boom. It's easier if I put this in my ear so I can hear it. Let me put it in my ear and then watch my finger. I'm holding now. I'm waiting for it to say pairing or both of them start blinking blue. Okay, it didn't work. Let me do it again. Ready? Now it says pairing, and you see that one blinking, and they're both blinking blue. So now it's in pairing mode. Now let's hurry up and shoot over to a computer. Let's do a search for Bluetooth down here. We'll just type in blue, and there we go, Bluetooth and other device settings. Let's go ahead and go with that. Make sure you select Bluetooth and other devices right there, and then we're going to select this plus sign, add Bluetooth other device. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on as well, so we're going to go ahead and select that. We're going to select the first one, Bluetooth. Now that line that's going across there is searching for devices that's in Bluetooth range or near me, which is about 30 feet. So the buds are still in the pairing mode. They're blinking blue. And then, there you go, JBL Tune Flex 2. There it is. And the one that says audio, let's tap that. Oh, I just heard the buds just say connected, and you can see that we're connected right here. So there you go. We're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issue pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.